Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today I'm on a mission to find out whether I, a Malaysian, am smarter than an American fifth grader. But before I begin, let me make a prediction of the results. There are 30 questions in this quiz, and I think I can maybe get 20 out of 30 right. I mean, I have to account for some American things that I'm just not going to be sure of, not going to know. So I'll say maybe 20, and we'll see what I get. But yeah, let's get started. Okay. Which is the fastest bird on foot? They've given me ostrich, eagle, woodpecker, sparrow, dragon. Well, dragon's not real. It has to be ostrich. I think it has to be. So wait, why isn't it? Oh no, I just press start. Oh, let me guess press start. What happens? What do I do? Oh, okay. Well, not there we go. Okay, finally picked it. Okay, ostrich. Yeah, that's right. Okay, did they just load the next question or okay? No, wait. I have to press the next question. All right. Ostriches are the fastest running birds capable of reaching speed up to 70 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's go. Next question. Who's the first person to step foot on the moon? Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, Edwin, Buzz Aldrin, Sally Ride, Alan Shepard. Step foot on the moon? I think it was Neil, though. Has to be Neil. I think. Let's see. Are they loading the results? I don't know. I think it's buffering what it's doing. I don't know. Okay, that took a little while. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. How many minutes are there in 3 hours, 45 minutes? Each hour is 60 minutes, 3 hours times 60 is 180, 180, 45, 225. Okay, nice. Let's keep going. Who was the first president of the United States? John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, John J. Abraham Lincoln, George Washington. George, right? Nice. Okay. Name the hardest natural mineral: iron, quartz, diamond, cobalt, silver. Isn't it diamond on the Mohs scale? I think so. Okay, yeah, got it right. Yeah, consider the hardest natural mineral because of its exceptional hardness and durability. Composed of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice structure, which gives it its unique properties. Okay, well, let's go. Doing good so far. Which is the largest and the strongest bone in the human body? Femur, ulna, innominate bone, radius, and tibia. I don't know what an innominate bone is. What is that? A bone. That's a real bone? Okay. Okay, well, now I'm a bit concerned. Okay, so if I'm doing logic, largest bone has to be somewhere in the legs. Radius and ulna, I think, are in the hand arm region. So I think it's either femur or tibia. If I try to remember correctly, I think it could be the tibia. I'll try that. No, it was a femur. Ah, I was torn between those two. Okay, so my first wrong answer. All right. Femur, commonly known as the thigh bone, it's the largest and strongest in the human body. Okay. It's used to bear weight, movement, etc. Okay. So that's good. Which planet is closest to the sun? I believe that is Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn. I believe that's Mercury. That was like a mnemonic to remember this, right? But I forgot. Yeah. What state is the Grand Canyon in? Question 8. California, North Dakota, South Dakota, Arizona, New Mexico. So, I mean, I'm not an American, but I'm trying to remember Grand Canyon. What was it, like Arizona? Is that right? God, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, okay, that was right. Okay. Grand Canyon. Of course, breathtaking natural wonder. Oh, northern Arizona. Okay. Let's keep going. How much is the sum of the three angles of a triangle? 180 degrees. No, wait. No, wait. Yeah. 180 degrees. 360 degrees is a circle. Okay. Yeah, it's got to be that. Okay, let's go. Nice. Okay. Question 10. What is the area of the square with a side of 5 centimeters? Okay, so area is base times height. I think so. 5. It's a square, so equal sides. 5 and 5. It's gonna be 25 square centimeters. Let's do that. Nice. Okay. So my math is not totally horrible. Okay, next question. Good. Question 11. What is the largest South American country by area? Argentina, Chile, Peru, Brazil, Mexico. Oh, is that Brazil? It's pretty big, right? I think so. That's not right. Oh, thankfully. Okay. Brazil is the largest South American country by area. It covers a vast landmass spanning over 8. Think about that. 8 what? Okay, the trivia stops there. Alright, whatever. Let's just keep going. Okay. Question 12. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? I mean, I was gonna say, is it not Pluto? But I mean, it really, unless I don't qualify Pluto as a planet anymore. But is that not the smallest? It's a dwarf planet. Okay. Uh, mm, I'm actually not sure, but I think Jupiter is the biggest. So it could be Uranus or Neptune. I'm not sure. I'll just. Uranus is funny, so I'll do that. I don't think that's right. It's Mercury. Ah, gosh, 2 answers to Mercury in the same quiz? Oh, wait. Okay, well, Mercury is the smallest planet with a diameter of roughly 3,030 miles. It's also the closest planet to the Sun, zipping around our star in just 88 Earth days. Despite its small size, Mercury is a fascinating world with heavily cratered surface and extreme temperature variations. Okay, let's go on to question 13. Name the war that occurred between the Union and the Confederacy. Is it not a civil war? Oh, a revolutionary war. I think it's civil war. I'll try that. Phew, okay. I do know a bit about American history then, right? Let's go. Question 14. A heptagon is a shape with how many sides? Okay, hectagon is 8. Right. Hexagon is 6, I think. So heptagon is 7. Right. Okay. Nice. Let's go to question 15. We're halfway there. In which year was American President John F. Kennedy assassinated? JFK. It's like 60s, no? Because you moon landing and whatnot. 63. Nice. I mean, not nice for him, obviously, because he died, but I mean, nice that I got it right. Question 16. Which is a prime number? So prime number, I believe, is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. Is that right? Is that what it is? Well, 8 is not. It's divisible by 2 and 4. 30 is 15 and 2. 99, you've got, what, 11, 9, etc. I think it's 17, right? Yeah. 63 is 9 and 7. Okay. Yes, yeah, number only divisible by 1 and itself. And 17 fifths is right here. Nice. Okay. Wait, the answer was in. Oh my god, the answer was in the picture. I didn't even notice it. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Okay, never mind. That was the previous question. But yeah, which is the capital of Belgium? It's like this. It's the picture there. But I think it's Brussels because Ottawa is Canada, Paris, France, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Berlin, Germany, Brussels. Brussels. Okay, this is pretty easy. Capital of Europe. Question 18. Emma has 2 yardsticks. She also has a 12-inch ruler. She laid them end to end in the line. How many feet long is the line? Okay, this is hard for me because I don't measure in these units. We measure in centimeters and meters. What the hell is 2? How much is 1 yard? Oh, God, I think I have to guess. I don't know. She's got 2 yardsticks. She says a 12-inch ruler. She laid them end to end in a line. So they're all joined together? Okay. Okay. So 2 yardsticks plus the 12-inch. 12 inches is how many feet? Oh my god. Don't know. I don't know. I don't know this measurement. I'm just gonna guess 9. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Ooh, 7 feet. I almost chose 7 feet too. I don't know. Wait, how? They'll tell us, right? Okay, each yard. Oh, yardstick is 3 feet long. Okay, so 2 yardsticks means 6 feet. Okay. 12-inch ruler is equivalent to 1 foot because there are 12 inches in a foot. Didn't know that. So 6 feet plus 1 foot is 7 feet. So the line is 7 feet long. Okay, all right. Now I know. So a yardstick is 3 feet, and then 12 inches is 1 foot. I know. Question 19. What is it called when the moon blocks the sun? Wait. I think it's a solar eclipse because the sun is being eclipsed. Okay, I think I do that. Yeah. Nice. Okay, almost shows lunar eclipse, but yeah. When the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, blocking some or all of the sun's light from reaching the Earth. It's also the temporary darkening of the sky during the day as the moon casts a shadow on the Earth's surface. Okay. Cool. Question 20 out of 30. Inca civilizations were concentrated on what continent? Of course. Wait, Inca is Peru, so I believe this is in South America. Let's go there. Nice. Okay. Yeah, yeah, specifically present day Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, and parts of Colombia and Chile. Okay, yeah. Alright, nice. Question 21 out of 30. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Oh, not Earth, I know that, not Mars. I think it's Jupiter, I vaguely recall that. Is that Jupiter? Phew, nice. It's a gas giant with diameter of approximately 143,000 kilometers or 88,846 miles, making it the largest planet by both mass and volume. It is so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Shit. Alright, moving on. Which of the following is not on the Gulf of Mexico? I don't know much about the Gulf of Mexico, except the recent renaming thing, which I'm gonna ignore. But this map is, I think this map is showing me the answer. Honestly, I can just follow that, because I don't know the answer. It's not. Okay, wait, Georgia. I honestly don't see Georgia. I see Florida. I see Texas. I see Louisiana. I do not see Georgia or Alabama, so I just have to pick one. I think it's. Oh, I don't know. They're all like southern, right? I don't know. Georgia, pick that. I don't know. Phew. Okay, lucky. Lucky. All right. Georgia is a state that is not in the Gulf of Mexico as it borders the Atlantic Ocean instead. Okay. Yeah, I was just lucky. But the map helped a lot. Question 23. Carefully is an example of what type of word? That is an adverb. It's all the ly ending words, right? Mostly adverb. It modifies the verb. Yes, it modifies the verb by describing how the action is performed. The adverbs typically provide information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action is done. So if you're doing something, an action, you're doing it carefully. So that's describing the verb. Okay, question 24 out of 30. What kind of pattern were Roman cities built in? Grid, plain, layered, skeleton, or gated? What the heck? This is what you guys learned in 5th grade? What? Is this not like an architecture question? What is, I mean, I want to say layered, but I don't know actually what these mean. I don't know. Just with that. Grid. Okay, I was thinking maybe grid. Okay. Let's see what the answer says here. Okay, so they're still filling out the clue. I mean, the description. The answer. Roman city planning followed a systematic approach influenced by their military camp layouts known as castra. These cities featured a rectangular grid of streets with two main routes, the corridor running north-south and the decumanus running east-west, dividing the city into blocks or insulae. This grid structure made navigation and urban planning more efficient, and the design was used both in newly founded cities and Romanized areas throughout the empire. This organized layout was key to the functioning of Roman cities, facilitating trade, defense, and public services. Okay, so I definitely didn't know. I wouldn't have known this even in 5th grade. We did not learn this at all, so can't blame me. Really. Let's go. Question 25. In the Northern Hemisphere, what month is the autumnal equinox? August, October, April, September. Oh my god. I mean, to be fair, I feel like I did learn this in geography back in school, but I don't know now. When is, okay, I'm just gonna guess because it's autumn. So fall, so maybe September, October. Well, October's my birthday month, so maybe I do that. Nope, it was September, which I almost picked too, but I wasn't sure. Okay, but well, here they describe the autumnal equinox marks the moment when day and night are nearly equal in length, signaling the beginning of autumn. Okay, it's the beginning, so that's why October doesn't make sense. Typically happens around September 22nd, 23rd each year. The event is caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the Sun, leading to the Sun crossing the celestial equator. Alright, next. Question 26 out of 30. What ancient civilization built the city of Machu Picchu in the Andes Mountains of Peru? We just saw that Incas. I knew that. Okay. Question 27 out of 30. How long is one regular term for a member of the House of Representatives in U.S.? Okay, we've got 3 years, 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, and 6 years. If it's like election year, maybe 4 years? Is that too long? I don't know. I'll try it. I don't think it's 4, but yeah, I should have known it's not 4. Oh, it's only 2. Okay. Members of the House of Representatives serve 2-year terms. Elections for all 435 seats in the House are held every 2 years during even-numbered years. Representatives can serve an unlimited number of terms if they continue to be re-elected by their constituents. This short-term length was designed to keep representatives closely connected to the changing opinions and needs of their constituents. Okay, so it's 2-year terms. I didn't know. I think it's the president that's 4 years. I don't know. I'm not American. Okay, question 28. Which one of the following states is not part of the Four Corners? New Mexico, Colorado, Arizona, Utah, and Nevada. What the hell are the Four Corners? I don't know. Is it like here, 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 and here? I have no idea. I'm gonna go Utah. I think if we're talking about corners, isn't Utah like somewhere in here or something? I don't know. I'm just gonna put this. I don't know. Yeah. Nevada. Why? What is it? Okay, so the Four Corners is a region in the southwestern United States where the boundaries of 4 states meet at a single point. These states are Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah. Nevada, while geographically close, does not share a border with the other 4 states at the Four Corners Monument. Okay, I never heard of Four Corners before, so this is completely new stuff to me. So yeah, didn't get that right. Okay, 2 questions left. What is the smallest prime number? Well, I mean, they're showing me all the prime numbers here right now, but anyway. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Wait, 0 is a prime number? Wait, 0 can be divided by I mean, can it really divide by itself 0 and 0? Can we really say that? I mean, maybe, I guess. And then 0 divided by 1, which is still 0? I think so. Oh my gosh. I always get confused with this. Okay. I'm just gonna follow because the picture put 0 here, so I think I'm gonna do 0. Let's try that. Let's try that. No, it's 2. What? Gosh darn it. Wait, hold on a second. Okay. Wait, is that really right? Smallest prime number? No, I feel like I haven't Googled this. Why? It's like I don't trust it. What the hell? Hold on a second here. See, like, look at this qmath.com. Wait, look, the smallest non-zero number is 1. So we're saying 0 actually counts, but we're saying the smallest non-zero prime number is 1, and then the next one is 2. So, wait, well, hold on a second. Oh, okay, all right, you're right. I can read this too. I didn't read the whole thing. Smallest non-zero number is 1. The factor of 1 equals 1. So 1 has only one factor, which is 1 itself, whereas it's factors of 2, 1, and 2. Therefore, 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, yeah, so it has to be divided by 1 and itself, but 1 is only divided by 1, and it itself is already 1, so it can't be that. Okay, alright, fair enough. Okay, so it was 2. Okay, so my math is pretty terrible then. Okay. Bad math. Bad math. Last question. Which is the first patented invention of Thomas Edison? Light bulb, telegraph, electrographic vote recorder, common microphone, or gramophone? Did he do with the gramophone though? Or was that not Alexander Graham? I don't know actually. I feel like his most famous one is light bulb, but I don't know if that was his first. So I'm just gonna guess and say this. I don't know. No, it wasn't right. It wasn't. Okay. Electrographic vote recorder. I mean, I wouldn't have known which one anyway. Even if it wasn't light bulb, I wouldn't have known which one. So I just had to guess what was the most famous one. Okay, so the information here says, while Thomas Edison is widely known for his invention of the light bulb, his first patented invention was actually the electrographic vote recorder in 1869. It was designed to streamline the voting process in legislative bodies by allowing for quick and accurate tallying of votes. Although it was not commercially successful, it marked the beginning of his prolific career as an inventor and foreshadowed his future contributions to technology and society. Okay, cool. All right. So let's see. How many did I get right? Did I get more than 20? I think I did. I think I did. I scored 70 out of 100. Ooh! 21. Okay, so I did better than what I expected, but close. Okay, so pretty good. 70 out of 100. I passed. If this was a real test in an American high school, I'd pass. Okay, so let's go to top scores, right? Yeah, of course. I mean, come on, some of y'all are Americans. And this person obviously did it twice. Jan Dismayne and Jan D. Sounds to me like the same person, and they probably tried it again. I don't know. I don't know. It seems the same person. But I'm okay with not. Oh, they gave me a certificate too. All right, probably presented to whatever my name is, because they didn't put my names. But anyway, that was a super fun quiz and challenge for myself. So I guess we can. I mean, it's safe to say we can answer the question. I am smarter than an American fifth grade. So cool. I mean, I did answer some of those questions terribly, so that's not great for my ego. But other than that, I think I did pretty well. Um, I'll leave a link to the quiz below. You can, in the comments below, so you can try it out yourself before watching my video, or you can play along with me and see how well you do as either an American or non-American, wherever you're watching from. But yeah, this is hopefully going to be a sort of weekly challenge videos that I'll be doing, just doing random trivia challenges or whatever challenges I feel like doing. But yeah, that's today's challenge video. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!